Now let's try a more complicated multiplication problem. Notice that now each polynomial has 3 terms when we're multiplying, which is not a big deal. We just multiply every term in the first polynomial by every term in the second polynomial. The procedure hasn't changed, it's just that we have more stuff to multiply. So let's do this. 5x squared times negative 2x squared is negative 10x to the 4th, right? Remember, we add the exponents. 2 and 2 is 4. 5x squared times 3x. 5 times 3 is 15. And when we add the exponents, remember, x is like x to the 1st, so 2 plus 1 is 3. And 5x squared times negative 1 is just minus 5x squared. Next, we're going to distribute the negative x. Well, let's do it this way. Next, we're going to distribute the negative x into each term. And remember, again, x is like x to the 1st power. So negative x times negative 2x squared is plus 2x cubed. Negative x times 3x is minus 3x squared. And negative x times negative 1 is plus 1x. And we don't have to write the 1. Finally, we can distribute the 2 into each term. So 2 times negative 2x squared is minus 4x squared. 2 times 3x is 6x. And 2 times negative 1 is minus 2. And that's our answer, except of course we have some like terms to combine. So our final answer is minus 10x to the 4th. Now we have 15x cubed and 2x cubed. That becomes 17x cubed. For the squares, we have minus 5 and minus 3. That makes it minus 8. And minus 4 is minus 12x squared. For x's, we have 1x and 6x. Together, that's 7x. And finally, we have this minus 2. And there we go. This is our answer. 10x to the 4th, negative 10x to the 4th, plus 17x cubed minus 12x squared plus 7x minus 2. Let's take a look at another example. So here we have a few different things going on, and we have to simplify this expression. So notice on the left, we have to multiply these 2 polynomials. So we'll multiply the 3x by the 5x, the 3x by the 2, and we'll do the same thing with the minus 2. And on the other side, we're just subtracting this polynomial. We can think of there being a minus 1 that we are distributing to remove the parentheses. And so let's do the multiplication. 3x times 5x is 15x to the 2nd. 3x times 2 is plus 6x. Negative 2 times 5x is minus 10x. Negative 2 times 2 is minus 4. That's the first multiplication, and then the second, negative 1 times 7x squared is minus 7x squared. Negative 1 times negative 6x is plus 6x, and negative 1 times 5 is minus 5. And that was all of our multiplication. Now we just have to combine some like terms. We have 15x squared minus 7x squared. That 15 minus 7 is 8, so that's 8x squared. For the x's, we have 6 minus 10, that makes it -4, and plus 6 brings us back to positive 2x. And our numbers, we have -4 and -5, that's -9. There we go, our final answer, 8x squared plus 2x minus 9.